Good morning, everyone. I am Ashley Alemania, the interviewee of Group 4. I am with the successful former SK chairman of Barangay Katanayanan. So, I am here today to ask him regarding on how our personality affects our job success. Good morning, sir. I would like to ask you, do you consider yourself as a successful person based on your state right now?
I think not yet, because we all know that being a successful person, you have a process. Magsisimula tayo sa baba, papuntang taas. But I continue pursuing my dream to be a successful person someday.
Thank you, sir. How does it change your perspective in life?
I changed my perspective in life for being a good personality, and of course, I'm aiming to pursue and continue my dream in life because I want to see my future being a successful person someday.
So, I would like to ask you, sir, how does your personality affect your job success?
Personality is very important kasi alam natin, based on my experience of being a SK chairman and Barangay Katanayanan, yung pagiging pagkakatotoo sa sarili at ang magandang ugali is isang halimbawa ng magiging mabait din sa kapwa. And I know na ngayon nagtatrabaho ako bilang isang government employee. Kailangan talaga na maganda yung pagtungo mo sa client, and yan din po ang pinaka-importante na ang pagiging isang successful na tao sa inyo.
Thank you, sir. Do you have any tips for our viewers on how to achieve their successful dream lives?
My tips in the viewers is paano magiging successful is kailangan natin maging isang magandang halimbawa sa mga tao, and of course ang pinaka-importante is yung faith kay Lord, na sana bigyan tayo lagi ng lakas at pag-uunawa, and of course yung personality na sinabi ko kanina, yun rin po yung halimbawa na magiging successful ka. Kasi pangit naman kung pangit ang ugali mo, kasi alam natin na ang pagiging mabait is isang halimbawa talaga na maging successful ka.
Okay. Thank you for spending time with us, sir.
You're welcome.
Hope this interview will serve as a lesson for all of us. Thank you.